Hello everyone. This is the second video for this game simulation blog post, and this time it is the large language model simulation for Russian roulette game. And similar to the previous one, I will just simply introduce the repo, and I will give a real quick demonstration on this simple game simulation. And that is so. Basically, you can see that I have already uploaded, and I will enclose the link in the video descriptions as well as the blog post, and here we go. So if you really want to run this game, if you have already cloned it to the local direct, then you can just execute execute the game file using the Python. And for game.python is for Chinese version, and so if you want to use the English version, then you just use the game under slash en dot python. So it will run it very automatically, and well, and that is so. So I have to say that the whole process is really random. Since this game is very unstable, whatever you're a mad person or you're a very smart person, you can actually guess it. And since you cannot actually know, because even if you have some item that could help you to prevent some unfortunate things, you still are able to know what actually the in which place the gun will shoot the fire. So, but anyway, it's very interesting that you can see how each rows is thinking, and how they use the item or not to use, how they talk to each others, and finally how the game is. So I believe it's very interesting. There are also a few points that you actually can change the item number and the ammo number. I believe that it should be somewhere in the program. So here you go. So here we can change the item count here, and I believe before that we can also mm, here when you are initialize the gun, you can also change like how many ammo there will be input into the gun. And I have to say, if you put too much ammo into the gun, then the game c couldn't be that interesting, because like the item are limited, and you can and they have limited action. So if there is a bullet in that place, then they are die and the game is end. So at the first time I was choose to just divide the whole count by two, and I just realized that the game will end too soon. So then I switch it to three, and also you can change the code whatever you want. You can and I believe it's really easy to change it to three people or even more, and you can set the different role with them. Uh, Let me check. Yeah, you can also change the game config here, um, which have the chamber count, and you can also like modify the large language model type, which is probably Claude, GPT, DeepSeek, or Mistral, uh, anything else, other like Llama or any other large language model API. Yeah, I think that's all, and you can view it. I believe that with the help of Claude, they really helped me to build this logging system. They make it colorful, and I really appreciate that. And I think that's all. Thank you. And I hope you also enjoy my blog post. I really spend a lot of time like building the system and testing it. And yeah, that is. Have a good day or good night.